believe that women growing up today, we want to feel powerful, we want to feel confident. It's not about hiding, it's not about covering up, it's not about following the rules, it's about feeling good.
What's up, everybody? My name is Sadie Kurzban. I am the founder of 305 Fitness. Now I have a busy day full of classes today, but I want to show you my 5-minute face. So come on in, let's go. Who is Sadie? I grew up in Miami, that's the 305 area code, and I always struggled with body image issues and liking myself, basically. I thought that the path to success in life was going to be about how my body was accepted in the world. And as I came of age and started to hit my 20s, I started to see what a huge suck of energy that is, how disempowering it felt to be focusing on all of that. And so I thought that fitness was this incredible opportunity to create a brand that's all about self-love and self-expression. So that's where 305 was born.
All right, woo! I have got a lot of teaching to do today, so I don't want to be too stinky. Let's put up this gorgeous curly hair, get it out of my face, and I'm gonna show you my 5-minute face routine. So I'm starting off with this cleanser, Matcha Hemp Hydrating Cleanser. Love the feeling of this thing. I started this business right in college, crazy. I was so gutsy as a 21-year-old, moved to New York City. The whole idea is about self-love. So I'm gonna take that same idea with me everywhere, including my beauty routine. And I'm not using beauty to cover up or try to look good for anybody else. I'm using it in a practical way. I'm using it in a way that's gonna support me best. And you're gonna see how light and fresh I keep it because I'm on the go all the time. And I'm not trying to hide or cover up any flaws or anything like that. I mean, I'm me, you're you, we all have our unique beauty, you know what I mean? So I've got some delicious hormonal acne on my neck and chest and shoulders. That's been a real joy of turning 30. So I'm gonna take this SkinCeuticals, the Blemish and Age Defense. This stuff is good. It is really good. And I just need to apply a tiny bit and it will just help with some of these pimples on my neck, on my chest, on my chin. Got it out of the way. I like the beauty that I was gifted with, and I really do believe that we all have that unique beauty to offer the world. This is my La Roche-Posay Double Repair Face Moisturizer. It's got some good SPF. I love the feeling as well of just like massaging everywhere, you know, so I like to go in and out and again, feel good. Attraction is so much about how you feel, how confident you are, how you walk, you know, how you approach the world. The same way that I'm approaching my beauty care routine, which is, you know, here I am, my unique beauty, unapologetically me. That's also my business model, all right? Because I believe that women growing up today, we want to feel powerful, we want to feel confident. It's not about hiding, it's not about covering up, it's not about following the rules, it's about feeling good. So my next step is going to be to apply this Ilia Skin Tint Serum. It's basically a foundation, but it's super light. We keep it light because I'm sweating all the time. And I'm gonna just dab this, love that it's liquid, it's not blocking my pores, and apply it to my face. I'll tell you a little bit more about 305. I started it in college. The vision was about more self-love, and I wanted there to be a workout that was all about self-expression and freedom and self-love and just go for it, right? Goofiness. Now I'm moving on to my NARS concealer. This is really just to blend a little bit of that foundation together around my eyes.
I think one of the superpowers of being a woman is all of the awareness that we get to experience, right? Because we are experiencing the world through a very different lens as a woman. And so we have both this power to be able to buy into some of the things that have been sold to us, like wellness and beauty and these other things we've been told that we're supposed to do. And we also have the power to say, I opt out. I don't want to do that. So what I like to think about with my own beauty, with my own wellness is, how is it empowering me? How do I feel about these choices? Sometimes I'm gonna opt in to what I've been told, you know, like wearing makeup or wearing heels or wearing dresses. These are all things that I love to do. And sometimes I totally feel like I have the choice to be able to not do that and just do me. So I think that beauty at the core is really about self-expression. It's about the opportunity to turn it on and turn it off when you feel like it.
We have studio locations here in New York City. We have an online business, so that means that We have incredible people all over the world, Cincinnati, Brazil, tuning into these virtual classes. And then another part of our business model is we teach other people to take the license of the brand and to go spread it. And it is so cool because we're basically empowering entrepreneurship. We're teaching other people to take the name that's 305, the choreography, the business in a box, and get out there and make it happen. That's what it's all about for me. Here's this Ilia lash mascara. Love that it's small and portable. Growing up in Miami is like a really hard place to grow up if you're a young girl. There are a lot of expectations of what you're supposed to look like. And so by 3rd grade, I am documenting my calories in secret, getting into exercise for all the wrong reasons. I mean, you think about that 3rd grade, what is that, 9 years old? Kind of crazy, right? And then this is my next thing, La Neige lip sleeping mask, very hydrating, love it. So I'm gonna spend middle school, high school, college, purging, binging, dieting, constantly exercising, just not liking myself, and spending all of this time and energy trying to cover it up, trying to mold it, trying to make it look like somebody else's. And that's what 305 is about. It's about reclaiming that power for myself instead of feeling like this little girl that's, oh, the world's so scary, how can I control my looks? No, I am a grown woman. I'm proud of who I am, and I want to teach other people how to do the same. So that informs my beauty routine, not just my business model. You can see we kept it very light. My last step, Aveda Botanicals Kinetics Toning Mist. Just kind of sets it, makes me feel light, vibrant, and that's my 5-minute face routine. After this, I'm gonna go in and teach some classes. So if you wanna follow me into the studio, let's go, let's do it. I just taught that first class. What do you think? I feel like my 5-minute face held up pretty well. Now I'm on to that second class. It was so much fun spending the day with you. See you later.